In this video, I will show you how to find public Facebook groups with auto post approval and identify competitor groups. First, search for a public group related to your topic. My category is website development, so I will search for web developer groups. If a group has many recently published posts, it indicates that the group accepts auto post approvals. For example, if a group has multiple posts in the last few hours, that group is a good target. Next, scroll down and find a post shared by a competitor. Here, we can see that a post from the All About Coding page has been shared in this group. Visit the competitor's page, and you'll notice that their recent post has been shared 31 times. To extract the links of the shared public groups, we will use a Chrome extension. To install the extension, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. Navigate to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and enable Developer Mode. After activating Developer Mode, click on Load Unpacked and select the folder containing the extension. Now, the extension is ready to use. Go to the Facebook post and click on the shared number. This will display the successfully shared public groups. Scroll down to see all the groups. Next, click on the extension icon in the browser and open the Facebook group link Extractor. Click the Start button, and it will extract all the public group links from the post. Copy and save them in a text file. Now, return to the group and find another competitor's page. This page has 109 shares. Click on the shared number and scroll down to view the groups. Open the Facebook group link Extractor again and click the Start button. Copy the group links and save them. Repeat this process for other competitor pages. Once we have collected a sufficient number of public group links, some of them may be duplicates. We can remove these duplicates using the Remove Duplicate Text Line software. Open the software, select the text file, and click on Remove Duplicates and Export. That's it. Now we have a list of public groups ready for posting. Using this method, we can extract and find thousands of public groups. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to ask in the comment section.